What the hell man, what is this? Cause नायका का सेल चल रहा है तो I thought ये एक्सपायर तो नहीं हुआ ना बे? नहीं, 2026 में होगा. Wow, what am I doing? Okay, what? Okay, I'm so excited because I've got like so many lipsticks with me right here. And I thought let's share my thoughts about these lipsticks and lip liners and let's see if it's a hit or a miss. So let's get started. This is basically for skin tone which are brown, medium, which are like my skin tone. Indian skin tone, basically like medium to dark. So let's quickly get started. I'm very, very excited. God knows what is going to happen to my lips today, but let's remove this one first. So this is my lips without any. It was so pigmented before, but I think I've come a long way. So let's get started with the first one. So this is my hand where I'm going to show you the swatches and then put it on the lips. Okay, so let's get started. I think let's get started with my favorite, the lip, the lip liner, which also acts like a lipstick for me. This is, by the way, from Mars, and I am in the shade 05 Wine Nights. And this is extremely good, and this retails for only 65 or 69 rupees. That's it. And I'm going to show you how it looks. First, let's do the swatch. So, ah, you see that? Not a great, like not a great line. But yeah, I'm going to do another swipe here. Let me just do a quick. Can you see the line? So, this is the liner, and I'm just going to fill it all in. And you see, it is all good. It looks very, very good on my skin tone. I love the shade. Let's do like a test and see if it is transfer proof or no. Uh, by the way, I have to remove the swatches first. Okay, so my hands are like super clear. I'm just going to do a test in front of you. And you see the payoff. It does transfer, but very, very little, and the lipstick is still there. So, yeah, I think did a very, very great job. So, that is actually my favorite. Let's remove this and the next one. So let's do like a pink shade right now. This is by Insight. It's their matte lip ink. Let's see how it looks. It's like a liquid, and I'm just gonna swatch it here. Ha! Oh wow! But it smells a little weird. It has a very, very not so good smell to it. Not liking it, but let's see the application. Oh my god, it is pigmented. Hmm, it's good. Huh, it looks good to me. What do you think? It does feel sticky, but let's wait for few seconds and see. Because abhi, if I remove, it is going to come out for sure. Let me just remove this. Let's wait for few seconds. I think it is drying up, but it is a little sticky. Um, let's do a transfer test. I think it is going to come out, but let's see.
What?
Okay. What? Can you see that? Okay, I'm genuinely touching it. Okay, I'm genuinely doing it. What? Man, it's transfer proof. Wow, it looks good. But the only thing is, no, nothing actually. It does feel sticky, but it's transfer proof, man. Wow, amazed. I mean, it's sitting in my makeup box, but I had no idea about it. Wow, wow. Let's move to the another one. I'm gonna look like a Hanuman at the end. Can you see the lip plumping out? Okay, let's move to the another one. The next one is Meet Matte Hugs. Long lasting. This is, by the way, from the Balm brand. I'm gonna just post a picture right here. And it is in the shade Brilliant. So let's try this. There's so many lipsticks that I did not even know. Again, this is a liquid, and this smells like menthol. It smells like a menthol candy that we used to have. Oh, it has a very cooling smell to it. Yeah, it is actually a menthol. Not liking the smell at all. Let's see the application. Huh. Pink nude. You want me to show you a swatch? This here. Wow. I mean, wow. But it doesn't feel sticky at all. But it has that smell which I'm really not liking. Very weird smell. The menthol smell. If you like the menthol smell, it doesn't give any cooling effect here. But yeah, it has that smell. So let's wait for a few seconds and then we'll do a transfer test and see. But the payoff is good, and I think it looks good on my lips. You also have to tell me. You can tell me in the comments if you think if some of them doesn't look good on me. You have the rights, man. You can just go comment. But I think it looks good on an Indian skin tone. It's more of like nude pink. And yeah, should we do like a test? It is not sticky. And I think it has dried. Yeah. So my hands without anything. Let's do. It does transfer, but very, very little. I'm amazed. I've not been using any of these, and these have been so amazing. So let's move to another one. So many to go. So the next one, let's take should we take like something red? The one that I was wearing. Let me take both the Swiss Beauty so that I am just going to show you the swatch and it is going to have the same payoff. So I don't have to do it like a patch test twice. So I have like the Swiss Beauty waterproof lipstick non transfer. It does claim non transfer, and I'm in the shade blood red. And another one is mauve top. Yeah. So let me swatch the red one first. So let's do a swatch. Wow, love it. And let's do the nude. Uh these two are little different. Okay, this is more of pink and this is more of brown. So this looks amazing, but let's do the red one. Let's do a one swipe and check. ऐसे ही कर दूँ क्या? What do you think? I think this matches my top and it looks good also. Oh shit. Yeah. One more trick that I would like to share. कि when you apply this now, you always have to do this so that if there is an excess inside your lips, it actually comes out. I'm going to show it to you how. Just put this inside. When you see the excess that have come out, it actually does come out. So it doesn't go inside your stomach. So I think this red one is also a hit. All of all of the lipsticks we've tried till now, it has been like a hit for me. So let's quickly also try the mauve. And yeah, just for you, I'm trying the mauve one so that you know how it looks on my lips. My god, I'm sorry, lips. I look like a Hanuman. Let's put this. हाँ, nice. समझ जाता है. Doesn't have any weird smell. Okay, basically this lipstick is like my lips but better. Ignore the side parts. I think it looks very, very messy, but the lipstick on its own looks so good. It's like my lips but better. If you want like that natural lips, I think this is the shade you have to go with. This is again 416 by Mauve Top something, and it's from the brand Swiss Beauty. Let's move to another lipstick which is by Swiss Beauty again. It's in mauve pink and it is their ultra smooth matte liquid lipstick. पता भी नहीं है मेरे पास है, बट बाय द वे ये सब दिस ईयर लिया हुआ है, बट यूज ही नहीं किया. इतने लिपस्टिक है पर यूज ही मत करो. दिस डजंट स्मेल. I have a mixed feeling for this one. Feels a little bit heavy on the lips, but not sticky. Can you see? I don't think I can wear this color. Let's tap the excess and see if it looks good. I can mix this with some other color like a nude and use it, but on its own, it doesn't look good on my skin. What do you think? And also, it is actually tingling. Yeah, it's like there's something happening on my lips, so not a fan. And let's quickly remove this. Let's do another brand. This is by Faces. Let's try this. It's more of a nude pink. But let's try this. This is again like your skin but better. Yeah, see? But I think it will more flatter the fair skin tone. Mine, I think it still looks a little, it doesn't enhance my lips. You understand what I'm trying to say? It doesn't have any smell. But yeah, it looks okay to me. Maybe a lip liner to top it off. I think it'll look good, but it's okay. I am not a fan. Let's do like a quick test. It does transfer, but a little bit, which is fine. So let's move on to the another one. Let's be a little quick, okay? Let's try this again by Swiss Beauty. It is actually like a transparent thing that is there. Doesn't smell any weird, but it's more like glossy. But I think it'll look good. Let's see. This is in the shade 04. It doesn't have like any tint to it, but it's just that if you want to wear like a gloss and if you want it to be again like your lips but better, you can wear this. Honestly, it doesn't have any tint, but on its own, if you don't have discoloration or pigments on your skin, you can definitely try this out. It is not sticky. क्या ही ट्रांसफर होगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट है तो. But yeah, I think on its own it looks good. In case just you want to just gloss it up, or in case you want to wear like a lipstick and then top it, it might actually look good. Let's do a test on the next one, okay? The next one is by IBA in the shade Nude Twist. इतना तो पता चल गया कि मुझे nude color बहुत पसंद है because there are a lot of nudes. So Okay. What do you think? Too nude? I think it'll look good on fair skin tone. Let's see once it's settled down how it feels. It is not sticky at all. Um, what do you think? You have to tell me. I think it is not giving like it is not giving me that good vibe. Not a fan. Um, if you want like a swatch, I can do that for you. Um, maybe it is more of like mauve pink, but I'm not a fan of it. Let's do a test. Bro, this transfers for sure. I'm just looking for the brown um lip gloss that we tried prior to this. Let me just right. The one that I thought you can actually put like a lipstick and then just put the gloss on top of it, and I think it looks like fine. Not a fan of the IBA for sure of the color, but the payoff fine, but it does transfer. Few more to go. This is by Maybelline Sensation. Finally, a Maybelline lipstick, and it's in the shade Touch of Spice. Okay, let's try this out. What do you think? Just put it here. It's more of pink and nude. I'm just putting very little to see how it is. Others. Then you'll put more. Hmm. This looks like good to me. We'll wait for it to like settle in and then we'll do a transfer test. Let's see what I have and what I don't. And my hand looks pretty, you know. Okay, let's do the test. Nothing on my hand. It does transfer. It does transfer. It does transfer. But I think it looks good. It looks okay. It looks good. You tell me. I'm confused. On its own, it looks good. I think. Let me just come forward and I think it's I think it's a hit. I like it. Can wear it. I think let's move to the last one and I've just picked the Renika Mini. Oh my god, it looks khatarnak to me. Let's do like a test here. Oh, that color. I did not know I have this color. Man, this color looks good on me. But I'm not used to seeing myself in this color, so maybe I'm feeling odd. So you give me your thoughts. Like, what do you think? Does it look good? Or it looks bad? Or it's okay? Tell me. I think it's a nice color, so it's a hit. But we did not do the test. Let's do the test. This is how my hand looks. Let's do a test here, okay? It does transfer and it transfers a lot. So if it transfers and कुछ point नहीं है क्योंकि आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन हु विल लाइक टच अप एक बार लग गया तो लग गया रात में आके निकाल दो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन आई एम सो आई थिंक sadly it's a miss. And I think with that, I also have this, by the way. This is the Gloss Me by Swiss Beauty. Again, a lot of Swiss Beauty, man. It has a very weird smell. I'm going to top this off because it's a gloss. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. Did you see it just enhanced? Oh, nah. If you are a glossy girl, you need to get your hands on this. This is by Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss. Retails for only 200 bucks. Wow. Wow. What am I doing? ये एक्सपायर तो नहीं हुआ ना बे? नहीं, 2026 में होगा. Wow. Happy. Let's get this off. Also, the last one, I believe. This is Goat 07 by Nykaa. So let's छी अभी से बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया but let's watch. This is super liquidy and look at that color, man. Should I put it? Let's go. Doesn't smell anything. I think it looks good. Looking at the camera coming in front and like, I think it looks good. Happy. I think, yeah. I think we are good. Yeah, that's about it. The last one. Happy with this. You tell me in the comments what was your favorite and what do you think, which one was a hit and which one was a miss. And with that, let's end this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, 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 love.